Meccano designed the MeccaRobot to act like a robotic friend for kids, providing companionship through interactive features like conversation and games. MeccaRobot is an educational tool that introduces beginners to robotics and coding concepts. The robot's LED eyes light up and display different colors and patterns to reflect emotions or responses. MeccaRobot is built with robust materials that can withstand repetitive assembly and disassembly. It produces sound effects and voice responses to enhance interaction. You can connect MeccaRobot to a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. The app allows for remote control of movements, recording of new actions or routines. MeccaRobot is equipped with voice recognition and response capabilities. Users can program it to respond to specific commands. Meccanoid robots can mimic movements taught by the user using the limb system. Users move their limbs, and the robot records and replicates these actions.